Back under the Chevy this morning, guys. We're looking at pitman arm attached to the steering gear. I'm still chasing steering issues. Just weird feeling in the steering. I'm trying to actually get this thing in focus. I hope that's in focus. What I did this morning was I took the relay rod loose, both at this connection here, which is the pitman arm, and this connection over here, which is the idler assembly. So you take that completely loose, and then you're left with the steering gear. Obviously the hydraulics are still hooked up, but then mechanically you've just got the column connected, and that felt nice and smooth. Just running the steering wheel, no mechanicals, everything felt smooth. Obviously the truck wasn't running, so hydraulics weren't running. You grab the pitman arm and try to shake it back and forth in the on center position, and everything feels nice and tight. When you go to either end of the extreme of the steering here, it gets fairly sloppy. So it's tight on center, sloppy off. As you progressively go, it gets progressively more sloppy. I'd guess obviously when you hit the locks, it's tight out there, but if you back the wheel off just a little bit, there's a couple degrees of play, I would guess. If I had to assign a value to it, I'm guessing 20-30 thousandths of play. So I wanted your guys' opinion on that. What you think? Hopefully some of you guys are more experienced at this than I am. I'm still fighting the, steering's heavily assisted one way, tight the other. It wants to center, self-center one way, doesn't want to self-center the other. Let me know what you guys think.